Hey guys, welcome back to Marco's Ceiling Fans. Today we have this Hunter key something. I'll look it up after I finish filming before I upload it. Yes, so I'm on vacation. I'm in Aruba, so my brand new playlist, Ceiling Fans in Aruba, is officially now out. So yeah, that's great. There's a lot of fans here, so I may be uploading a lot of fans mostly every day, or sometimes more than once a day. Anyway, let's go. Also, the noise coming from that is very windy today. This fan definitely has a bad capacitor. Oh yeah, there's a Westinghouse Comet, or whatever it's called, inside right there. I'll do a video of that later. It is super windy. It is so hot out today. Here's another one of those. Oh wait, the blinds are covering it. There are no, the blinds are covering it. It's much faster on camera. I'm sweating. Anyway, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and bye.